Hello everyone, I am Amit Kumar. I am a first year student of IIIT Kota, studying BTech Computer Science. Today I am going to make a air pollution monitoring circuit. This circuit will monitor the amount of pollution in the air around the circuit. So let's start with the components we need to make this system. First of all, we will need an Arduino, Arduino Uno R3. Then we will need a breadboard, small one. Then LCD, 16 cross. This one. Then piezo. Then gas sensor. This one. And potentiometer. This one. Now Arduino is a microcontroller. It will control everything that will happen in this circuit. This is a gas sensor which will sense the amount of gas. This is a type of alarm which will alarm you when the amount of gas goes too high. This is an LCD which will display the amount of smoke in the air and if it is really polluted or not. This is for giving contrast to the LED, and the breadboard is to extend the connections will take a lot of time, so I've already connected all the components of the circuit. This is the final product. So first of all, we will study about the gas sensor. The bottom three pins are connected to the voltage of the Arduino, 5 volt. Uh, this pin and this pin is connected to the ground voltage 0, and this pin is connected to the to give the output of the sensor. Now we will study about the LCD. First of all, this pin and this pin are connected to the ground voltage of the Arduino. Uh, this pin and yes, this pin uh, is the power source of the LCD. Uh, this pin is connected to the potentiometer which gives contrast to the LCD. If there is no potentiometer, the screen will always remain white, so it will not. Now all the remaining pins are connected to the Arduino to relay the output of the sensor. Uh, and at last we will study about the alarm, which is when the pollution rate is really high. So it is connected to the Arduino. This is the out this relays if the alarm should go off. And now we will study about the alarm system, and it will go off when the pollution rate in the air is really high. So uh, one pin is connected to the ground and one is connected to the Arduino will relay when the alarm will go on and when it will go off. Now that we have completed all the connections, we will go on to code of the circuit. In this one, in the second line, we can see the library which will be needed to control the LCD. Uh, in the fourth line, we can see all the pins that are connected to the Arduino, which connects the Arduino to the LCD. Uh, in these three lines, we have introduced some variables uh, to ease the process of controlling the Arduino. First of all, we will set up the system. These two commands will give input to the variables that we have chosen. Then we will start the LCD. This line will display what is the air, and this will display quality today in the LCD. Uh, then we will start a loop with a 1000-second delay, which means the loop will start after 1000 seconds have already passed. In the loop, we will clear all the lines that have already been written in the LCD. After that, we will write air quality and the also the input that is given by the sensor to the Arduino. After that, we will write if the sensor quality is this if the sensor value is less than 500, which means the air quality in parts per million is less than 500, then it will print fresh air below the air quality. And if it is greater than equals to 500 or less than equals to 600 and less than equals to 600, then it will print poor air. If it is greater than equals to 650, it will print very poor air, which is very high pollution level. Also, these are the lines which will control the alarm system. If the sensor level is greater than 650, then the alarm system will go off, elsewise it will remain off. So let's start the simulation. Yes, we can see here what is the quality. Air quality is 305 fresh air. So here we can see the gas concentration near the sensor is very low, so it is fresh air. If we increase the concentration by dragging the smoke, you can see it increases, and yes, after here after 500, it will start displaying poor air. So, and if it is greater than 700, you can 600, you can see it will display very poor air, and also the alarm will go off. So this is a simple air pollution monitoring system. uh, Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.